I can only compare it with my university experience because I started working with OutSystems from point zero in my work experience, and I can definitely say that I prefer thinking about the business logic and the actual product than staying to configure files and systems 2 days until I can write some code.
For us in OutSystems, I think this is a major difference from the other technology, that we are really close to the business, because you don't write that much code, you have to actually develop the business flow, the business logic and everything, and you have to deeply understand and really understand what you are working on. It's like we are working very close with our clients actually, so we have to be we have to have a really good idea of what the business is behind. Otherwise, I think in OutSystems it will be harder to work on things closer to the end product and you really understand what's going on behind. For example, you might work on other technology where you write code for this specific module from a large application that you don't even know what's behind it. But in here, since you are designing from the front end, back end, everything, integrations and everything, you really have a good understanding of the applications and of the products.
Like usually we have quite packed planning, so we are not able to do some special functionalities or anything that we wished for before. And during the hackathon, this is a great chance to try some of these functionalities and see if we can get them to work and if it's actually adding some value to our applications.
We are a very big and beautiful community of OutSystems, and we never joined before, so we wanted to really prove what you can do with OutSystems in 48 hours.
It's something that you don't usually do during your day-to-day job. It was combined, so both parties came up with ideas, we filtered them, we refined them, and we chose, let's say, the best ideas from there, so we could all work on and to be glad that we are achieving something in the end.
Usually we have some smaller functionalities that we implement into our applications every 2 weeks. And these are like radically different and also more special and spectacular actually. It's not something that we would immediately implement into our applications in production, but it's very cool to show what can be built and what can be done actually.
Diversifying, that's the end goal basically. So this was our opportunity to develop great ideas like chatbots and diverse solutions in different systems in .NET, in Swift for mobiles, and also we connected with Azure, I never got it, Microsoft Azure, to play with new technologies that we don't really get a chance to in day-by-day work.
So sometimes we have these ideas in our head and we would like to implement them in our applications, and it's mind-blowing sometimes how an idea can come to reality in such a short time, and actually also spectacular how these ideas we had for this hackathon can be built in such a short time. It's really mind-blowing sometimes. Yeah, it's actually very useful also for me to be in this environment, and it can be hectic because it's just the guys have been coding for just for hours and hours until late in the night, and we started early, and then it was during the whole day they developed. And to be some sort of a help in some situations is also a very nice experience to have, because you're closer to the action actually. Usually you write the requirements, you discuss it with the developers, and then after some time you get it delivered and you check it out and you test it and you get it to production. But right now you actually see what's going on and you get to experience it from a little bit closer, and it's very nice experience to have. Yeah, it's some sort of it's not a race, but it's a contest. So it's I really like that we have a chance to win, and The other teams are also doing interesting stuff. Yesterday at the presentation they shared some things that they were doing, but I think yeah, ours is the best, of course.